Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I'm coming at you with another K-Beauty review. One of my favorite K-Beauty stores, Soul of Tokyo, was kind enough to send me the Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo Essence, as well as the Keep Cool Soothe Mini Bamboo Kit. And I'll be doing a little review on these products. Now I've been using them for around 4 weeks. The Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo range is quite new, and it was developed specifically for the hot summer months, and it recently arrived to South Africa, so just in time for our summer season. Let's start off this review with the SPF 50 Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo Essence. This SPF 50 Sun Essence was designed to protect your skin against harmful UVA and UVB rays, as well as blue light, brighten and even your skin complexion, hydrate and lock in moisture, as well as cool and soothe your skin. So it's all good and well that this sunscreen claims to do all of these amazing things, but if we actually take a look at the ingredient list, you'll see that the ingredients backs up every single claim of this sun essence. Now, one of our main active ingredients, and really the selling point for this whole Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo range, is the bamboo water. The sunscreen specifically has 40% bamboo water. Now, what's so amazing about bamboo water is that it's packed full of amino acids and minerals. It's also a great antioxidant, and you know, antioxidants help with your premature skin aging, your fine lines and wrinkles, and combined with its antioxidant properties, we have its ability to retain skin moisture, which is really important for summer because you lose a lot of skin moisture. So bamboo water is also anti-inflammatory, and what that means is if you're someone that gets red patches on your skin because of the heat in summer, this is going to, you know, help keep that in check. Next up, we have something really interesting in the sunscreen, and that's B-circadin. I didn't know what that was, and I actually had to go and read up a few scientific journal articles, and let me tell you, I was so intrigued. Now, this is a natural plant extract from South Korea, and it helps protect your skin against blue light. Now, what's blue light? It's your light emitted from your smartphones, your televisions, PC screens, and that's actually what causes your skin to become tired and dull looking if you spend too long in front of, you know, a computer or TV or something. So when my mother shouted me for staring at my computer screen for too long, she was right, eh? I honestly thought she was always speaking nonsense. But I thought that was really cool that the sunscreen will actually offer that type of protection, because I haven't seen that in any other sunscreens. Next in the sunscreen, we have my absolute favorite Scintilla Extract, as well as a bunch of other natural plant extracts, and really that just adds to the soothing anti-inflammatory properties of this sunscreen. And in here we have not one type of hyaluronic acid, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, 7 types of hyaluronic acids. So we're really locking in that moisture, providing deep skin hydration. Now let's speak a bit about the application and some of my thoughts, as I've been using the sunscreen for around 4 weeks now. Firstly, I really appreciate the squeeze nozzle on this sun essence. It makes application so easy. I use the 2-finger method for application. I just squeeze the product on 2 fingers and gently press it onto the different parts of my face, and that is enough product for one use. It is non-scented, which is great if you have sensitive skin. This essence does absorb incredibly fast into your skin, and as you can see, it's not leaving behind a white cast in the slightest. And I promise you, it's 100% non-greasy, and it leaves your skin feeling really smooth, which is perfect for makeup application. And this is what my makeup looks like under this sunscreen, and you can see there's a healthy glow. to my skin. I promise you I don't have any complaints with the sunscreen. If anything, it's made me complain about the other sunscreens that I've been using. And next up, let's just take a quick look at the Keep Cool Soothe 3-piece mini kit. This kit comes with a 20ml Soothe Toner, a 5ml Soothe Serum, and a 20ml Soothe Lotion. All 3 products are non-scented, so great if you have sensitive skin. Your active ingredients in all 3 of these products is very similar to what was in the sunscreen because they are from the same range. I'd say the only difference is the percentage of bamboo water in each product. There's multiple types of hyaluronic acid, again providing your hydration, locking in your moisture. And we have your plant extracts offering your soothing, healing, anti-inflammatory properties. The Soothe Toner consists of 85% bamboo water, so it's not surprising that it has an incredibly watery consistency, which is why I prefer just splashing it onto my face as you would water, although you can use a cotton pad if you prefer. It's incredibly refreshing and absorbs really fast into my skin. The Soothe Serum consists of 66% bamboo water. It is slightly gel-like in consistency, but still really watery. A little really goes a long way with this serum. It absorbs really fast, and once it is absorbed, your skin just magically feels hydrated. You don't get any stickiness or oiliness left behind. The Soothe Lotion has 51% bamboo water. It also has a very watery consistency, but it spreads really well. Because I have really dry skin, I have to use quite a bit of this lotion to get that level of hydration that I want. Again, after using the mini kit, I don't really have any complaints. There's also a lot of product that you're getting. I've been using these products during the day and during the evening, and I mean, it's perfectly fine. You can use it AM or PM. It's just I personally prefer to use this during the day just because I like to keep my skincare light and refreshing during the day because I wear a lot of makeup, whereas at night I like thick products that will work on my skin concerns, being my scarring and hyperpigmentation. But once midsummer hits around December, I think this might actually be better for the night as well. These 3 products, they're really nice on their own using it together, but let me tell you, when you use it with the sunscreen, it just hits differently. It's extra refreshing and just feels so lightweight altogether. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!